Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. The good news, this is my last meat that I got from Sprouts that I'm going to do a review on. I'm going to slap a little bit of extra melted cheese sauce on this. This is a Philly cheesesteak, a veganized Philly cheesesteak. And it was made with this stuff. No Evil Foods. Beef strips. I've heard about these but never seen them before. So when I saw them at Sprouts, I thought, well, gotta try them. So I turned them into a Philly cheesesteak. Basically, I just sauteed them in a pan with some sliced onions until the onions got soft. And I did try these before I cooked them. They're pretty firm, and chewy. Not a lot of like fibrous texture that you can get if you make it at home. But I figured, gotta try it. Heard good things about it. Decided to turn it into a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. And the choices of cheese, it's like some factions argue for Cheese Whiz and some factions argue for provolone. So I took my half out of the middle and made provolone whiz. I melted some finally I smoked provolone slices with some water and some sodium citrate and made this nice ooey provolone cheese sauce. So I know I'm going to have to pause and pick this up with both hands and take a bite, so I'll be right back. This is a tasty sandwich. If you miss this sort of thing, you could probably get any plant-based, more like a steak style rather than a ground beef alternative, and make this for yourself. Really, I mean, it's the onions and the cheese sauce that make it so tasty. And you do, as you're watching my soft, floppy bun sag under the cheese sauce, you do not want to make this on like a crusty baguette. You want a very soft hoagie for an authentic, as authentic an experience as you can get if you're not actually going to eat dead cow and fermented cow lactation, if we want to be accurate. So thank you for watching, especially if you watch till the end. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing, and visiting my community page. I upload videos Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, and I will be attempting to make community posts Monday and Friday. And the recipe for this will be on my blog, and it will be linked in the description. I will also link to the previous video in case you don't get notifications. So thank you very much, everybody. See you later.